Hi guys, thanks for watching my video. In this video, I'll be showing an install on my client. She's reusing her GASAHAIR bundles for the third time, and by the time you see this video, she would have reused the frontal again. She's wearing two bundles of raw wavy 22 inches plus HD frontal 18 inch, all from GASAHAIR.com.
Stay up till the morning, just taking this moment. Baby, won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
This video is sped up, so let's jump right into what's going on. I'm bringing her hair down to get the foundation right, then I'll be slicking her edges back with edge control and putting a wig cap on. I'll be using cream foundation makeup from my local beauty store to match the cap to her skin, and then cutting the excess cap off, cleaning her forehead, lining up the frontal, and then gluing it down. As I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I'll be sewing her bundles in the back.
We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. You got me in my feelings. 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 Baby, won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. You got me in my feelings. 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 We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment.
I'm using the Erica J products for the skin protectant along with the glue. The cotton balls you see were from me using alcohol to clean her hairline. Once the frontal is glued down, I go in with hairspray to melt it down and then put my elastic band over it. As the lace is melting, I start the styling process. She's getting 2 braids in the front with the rest pressed out in the back.
Baby, won't you come a little closer? feelings. You got me in my feelings. Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, oh, oh. Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, oh, oh. Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it.
I like to blow dry the hair straight first before going in with my flat iron. It really gives the hair a nice balance and even better press when you do this method. You can use your silkening oil of choice for this. But let's talk about the hair really quick. Do y'all see how fuzzy this hair is from root to tip and it's only 2 bundles? Stop playing with GASAHAIR and go get you some, sis.
Know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. You got me in my feelings. 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 We can take it slow. Stay up till the
So I'm just prepping the hair for it to be braided. I used hairspray to mold it together instead of gel. Forgive me, y'all, but my camera died, of course. Now I really see what the girls be saying when they say their camera died and wasn't able to finish recording, since that's exactly what happened to me. In another video, I'll show me pressing the hair and actually straightening it so y'all can really see what it's giving. But I did record the finished result, so if you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, especially more videos pertaining to my hairline, answering questions, and just showing off the textures and showing it off in installs all together. Thanks for watching.
closer. Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work.